Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. We're on our Common Street project in Houston, Texas. And as you can tell, we've already excavated our drain over in the far left-hand corner where you see the pipe coming down for the sump. You'll notice just how deep that is. That's about 30 inches deep. And you can look over to the right. You can see we're installing our drains. You can see our first corners put in and the back side of the wall. And you can see our pump. We're going to move it back over in the corner. You will also notice that we have waterproofed the walls. Now these walls had waterproofing mixed into the concrete, but it didn't look like it was properly crystallizing. You have to double check. Maybe at the ready mix plant when it was mixed in, the trucks got mixed. Number two, maybe the driver added way too much water, but all these things must be checked. So since the walls didn't look like they were properly crystallizing, we waterproofed it from the inside manually as well. You'll notice that there are no more pins on the wall. And you see those round circles? We cut the pins, chipped it out, and then filled it in with grout so the metal pins wouldn't be sticking out. And then coated the walls with 2 coats of crystalline waterproofing, as you can see. And now we're going to finish installing these drains, and we'll install the sump basin. And this job will have what we call flexi flange down at the very bottom. See that dark marks? That is where we will be putting in a material which we call flexi flange, which will reinforce and strengthen the bottom of this basement. This basement here, the walls were poured first and the foundation is tying to it. So that means the foundation wall will be tighter than normal and will not leak. But we still want our drain system to pick up every ounce in here because this area is going to be sealed off. And it's going to be a laundry room. So let's back up so you can see just how big it is. Here. See? And currently we have a window. So we're going to back up some more to show you what the window looks like. And you can see that we're installing a French drain around the outside. And as you notice, there are no pins in this wall, nothing sticking out. But we just finished chipping the pins out and you can see it. So all we have to do is put our coat of grout covering the ends because as you can see the little metal sticking out, which will be cut off. We don't want anything sticking out that would rust and compromise the wall. So now that you've seen it, let's get busy.
Hello, thanks for watching. If you like our video, then please subscribe or visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.